Join me as I dive into some shocking health and fitness secrets that you probably never knew existed, and I'll see if I can actually incorporate them into my routine for a week. You know, when it comes to health and fitness, most of us think we're doing everything right. We hit the gym regularly, eat our veggies, and get enough sleep. But the truth is, there are so many hidden secrets that can dramatically improve our wellness and performance. Secrets that can take us from good to great, from average to exceptional. And that's what I want to explore today. I think one of the biggest challenges people face when trying to achieve optimal health and fitness is the overwhelming amount of information out there. There are so many conflicting opinions, so many different methods and techniques that it can be hard to know what really works. And often we find ourselves stuck in a rut, doing the same old routine because it's comfortable, even if it's not yielding the results we want. Another issue is that many of us are too focused on aesthetics. We want to look a certain way. We want to have a six-pack or be a certain weight. And we forget that true health and fitness is about so much more than that. It's about feeling good, having energy, being able to perform at our best. And yet, we get caught up in the superficial stuff and lose sight of what really matters. I also think a lot of people struggle with motivation. We start strong. We're gung-ho about our new fitness routine, but then life gets in the way and we fall off the wagon. We lose motivation, we lose focus, and before we know it, we're back to square one. And then there's the fear of trying something new. We get so used to doing things a certain way that we're scared to venture out of our comfort zone, to try a new workout technique or a new diet hack. We're scared of failure, we're scared of looking silly, and so we stick with what we know, even if it's not serving us. But what if I told you that there are ways to overcome all of these obstacles? What if I told you that there are lesser-known tips, tricks, and practices that can enhance your physical health and take your fitness to the next level? One of the most surprising things I've learned is the importance of micro movements. You know, we're always told to go big or go home, to push ourselves to the limit, but sometimes it's the small movements that can make all the difference. Like, did you know that simply incorporating more stretching into your daily routine can increase your flexibility and reduce your risk of injury? It's all about making small changes that add up over time. Another thing I've discovered is the power of gut health. We always talk about the importance of a healthy gut, but do we really know what that means? Like, did you know that your gut is responsible for producing 90% of your serotonin, the neurotransmitter that regulates mood? It's crazy to think that our mood, our energy levels, our entire sense of well-being is tied to our gut health. I've also learned about the benefits of earthing. Yeah, I know it sounds weird, but basically, it's about reconnecting with the natural world, with the Earth's energy. And it's amazing how much of a difference it can make. Like, did you know that earthing can reduce inflammation, improve sleep, and even reduce stress levels? And then there's the most shocking health secret of all. Are you ready for it? Here it goes. Your body has the ability to regenerate itself. Yeah. I know it sounds like science fiction, but it's true. Our bodies have the ability to heal themselves, to regenerate damaged tissue, to repair themselves at a cellular level. It's mind-blowing. But the thing is, most of us are not living in a way that allows our bodies to do this. We're not giving our bodies the tools they need to heal, to repair, to regenerate. We're not taking the time to rest, to recover, to allow our bodies to do their thing. And that's what I want to challenge you to do for the next week. I want to challenge you to give your body the space it needs to heal, to repair, to regenerate. So there you have it, guys. Those are the shocking health and fitness secrets I wanted to share with you today. I hope you found them as mind-blowing as I do. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out my other video on the top 5 fitness hacks you need to try. And if you have a favorite secret from today's video, let me know in the comments below. I want to hear from you.